Hi, this is Nick with the Jenkins Group at eXp Realty, and today I'm going to talk about what's happening in the market. I get a lot of questions from homeowners and prospective buyers about what's happening in our area. Should sellers wait to sell their home until the market goes up? Should buyers wait for a correction until the market comes down a little bit to buy? And of course, it always depends on your situation, but today I'm going to break down the numbers of what's happening in the market and show you where I think we're going. Right now, we are in a seller's market still, but it is getting a little bit better for buyers. We were in an extreme seller's market at the beginning of this year and end of last year with extremely low inventory, and we're finally getting a little bit of relief because the interest rates have risen. The inventory is just over 1 month supply in both King and Snohomish County, which is great compared to the 0.7, 0.8 month supply that we had earlier in the year. Now, the interest rate has risen quite a bit as well this year, which means that the demand has also dropped. The buyer pool is a little bit more shallow than it was early in the year, and that means that there's a little bit more opportunity for buyers to find properties that meet their needs and be a little bit more picky as well. Now, even though interest rates have risen over the last couple of months, like I mentioned, that doesn't mean that it's a bad interest rate. The rate is actually historically very good. So I would still say it's a good time for buyers to secure financing on a property. And now there's even more options than there were before. So ultimately, if you're a seller, it means that we need to present your house in the best possible light and do more to attract buyers and make sure that your house is at the top of the list for most buyers in the area. If you're a buyer, it means that you can be a little bit more aggressive in your negotiation and try to achieve better terms for your contract, better pricing, and ultimately just a better outcome as a buyer than what you had to accept a couple of months ago. So whether you're a buyer or a seller, we can always help. Feel free to reach out at the contact information below. Thank you again for watching and have a great day.